Hey there Aquarius, December is here and it's bringing you a mix of challenges and opportunities. But don't worry because these challenges are just stepping stone towards the growth and the success. In today's videos, we will drive what is in store for you in the month of December. This particular prediction has been taken on the basis of the planetary alignment as well as the energies being checked through the tarot. So let's go that what is going to happen this December. A shift in a dynamic may place you in a leadership role, whether at work or in your own community. Feeling unsure, that's natural, but this is your moment to shine, Aquarius. Take it as a learning opportunity and embrace it with an adventurous mindset. Not only will you excel, but you will also enjoy the process more than you expected. Clearing up the miscommunication this particular month. So this is a month around second week of December. There is a potential for some miscommunication if a plan involving a co-planner seems to hit a snag. Don't let frustration take over. Instead, schedule a meeting, clarify the roles, and have an open and honest discussion. This will help you for the smooth discussion out and keep your progress on the track. So this particular month, disappointment turns into the opportunity. Not every negotiation goes as planned. You might experience this mid-month, but there is the good news. What feels like a loss now will actually open the door for a better opportunity. By the end of the December, you will realize that the setback was a blessing in disguise. Stay positive and keep moving forward. So this is a month where you have to revisit a quick decision. Remember a decision you made last month, it might resurface this December. Initially, you could feel concerned, but don't panic. Take time to revisit and clarify any misunderstanding. Once you do, you will see that your choice was right one all along. This will bring you a sense of relief and validation also. So key takeaway for the December month for you is that December is all about growth, Aquarius, whether it's stepping into a leadership role, resolving your misunderstanding, or finding the opportunities in the setbacks. You have got what it takes to handle it all. Stay optimistic. You have to communicate clearly and embrace the unexpected. Trust me, you will end this month stronger, wiser, ready for the incredible new year. So if this particular reading resonates with you, give this video a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comment how you plan to tackle the December's energy. Until the next time, take care and keep shining, Aquarius.